Hi, this is Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC out here in Sarasota. Just finishing up the pond clean out and the rebuild on the waterfall. Got it all foamed up and everything. Took out all the extra rocks. They had so many rocks over in there. It was just, I couldn't figure out why. I mean, it was just beautiful underneath there and stuff. So I just had to rearrange some of the rock and foam some in. Got the pond all cleaned out, skimmer's all reset, autofill is all reset. We've got the net over the pond here, so it'll keep out some of the leaves. And that's it. Everything looks great. The customer is very happy. I'm happy to hear that. I always like a happy customer. That's what counts. Everybody's happy.
He's my pond guy.
Thank you. And but this is what it looks like here. Take a walk over. Right there. There's the waterfall now. Before it was tumble, tumble, bang, bang, disappear behind a rock, tum, dum, bang, bang, disappear behind a rock. Now she flows like she should. That's what a waterfall should look like. Here. Well, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC, and I hope everybody has a great day. Be safe and be happy. Bye-bye.